Today I received my third and final package from Etsy, and this is from a different seller on Etsy. It's from Project OT7, if you can see that on film. So let's go ahead and get this open. Barely see inside there. Packing information, I believe. Okay, that's what this is for. It says, thank you. All profits are used to help BTS chart in the USA. Tag us in a photo and you could win one free item of your choice. So Instagram at Project OT7 and Twitter at Project_OT7. Excuse my bird. He's excited right now. Okay, so this is what I got right here. And this is just a custom case and with a blank CD, so I can download the music off of iTunes for the CD right here. So let me go ahead and get this open. Packaged really nice. It has like these little sparkly glitter pieces on here. I really like that. Nice touch to protect the case. And oh my goodness, this is like a real photograph. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Set that to the side over here. Glitter falling. It's like glitter. Okay. Oh, there's something else in here. I'm gonna turn it over so I don't see it. Okay, it's double-sided. Okay. Well, we're gonna see both sides anyway. All right, so as you can see, it's sealed just like a brand new CD you would see inside the store. And this is Suga's Agust D D-2. That's what it is. And I'm going to copy the music from, not copy, but I'm going to download the music from iTunes and download it onto, burn it onto my disc that's on here. It's a blank disc in here. So that will go towards chart positions for Suga. So that's the track listing. Hopefully you can see that. And it comes with a PC, which is double-sided. It says D2, and then there's Suga from the music video. Beautiful photo of Yoongi. And then I got another free, wow, it's him from the music video too. So two of them. This is the PC and this is a photo card. It's King Suga and Commoner Suga. So yeah, sorry, Suga. So yeah, this is beautiful. He looks awesome in this costume here. I love his look here as well. So the video is awesome. I love it. I love watching it. So cool. All right, so let's move that out of the way and open up the plastic. Oh, it's in there good. Okay, there we go. Got it loose, so it has a matted texture. A little slight damage probably from shipping, it's right there, but not very noticeable unless you're shining it in the light. And let's get it open. I'm the king, I'm the boss. Lyrics from the video. Agust D D-2. Awesome, I really love this artwork. And the CD here, I need to record the music on too. And that's what it looks like. So that's the unboxing today. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Leave a like, comment down below, and see you, Army.